Possibility for vacuum leaks on a Holley 600 CFM around the PCV, where the PCV valve, the hose is split or cracked. You could have vacuum leak there. Base plate gasket, if it's torn or ripped, you could have vacuum leak there. There's another vacuum hose that connects here to the front of the base plate for other accessory things. This is the vacuum hose directly into the metering block. I block these with vacuum hose blockers. The one that I think was leaking on me that I didn't know about was the choke plate. Covers a hole that's here. I ran this coat hanger down into that hole and it went to the center of the carburetor. So I think vacuum was leaking out of here, causing my power valve to fail. I put a 3.5 power valve in, replacing the 6.5 power valve. This carburetor now has a 3.5 power valve in it with 6.3 jets. It's a 600 CFM Holley. I'm attempting to increase my fuel mileage by removing the 650 double pumper with the 6.6 jets. Base plate gasket around the base plate shaft for the butterflies. If those are worn out real bad, you could get vacuum leaks there. I think I covered all the vacuum leaks, and what I've done is cut the original choke bolts and remove the choke. I cut these to 1 inch to screw this plate back on, because I've removed the choke from the carburetor. If you don't have this plate on here, I think you're going to end up with a vacuum leak right here. A few people that have 600 CFM Holley vacuum secondaries. Also, this vacuum diaphragm can leak. Don't forget to put the choke plate back on. I think you get a vacuum leak out of here. I'm gonna put the carb on, see if it works. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I start all over.